Where's John? So Aisha. Yeah, so what were we doing? We were starting this revision from the first chapter, right? So from the real numbers itself. Yeah, so we talked about the prime and co-prime numbers, right? Prime numbers are only divisible by 1 and themselves. And what are the co-prime numbers, right? Okay, so now I guess Talha, please. Yes, hello Aisha, hello Talha, assalamu alaikum guys. Yeah, so I was talking about this co-prime numbers, right? What are the co-prime numbers? So in the prime number, we talk about one single number, right? In co-prime numbers, we talk about pair of numbers. Okay, and what is the property of those pairs? That they have only one as a common factor, right? So if I ask you why this, yeah. So if I ask you guys that is this 5 and 6? So are these co-prime numbers? Yes. So is this a co-prime number? No, this is not a co-prime number. So Shoaib is telling me that this is not a co-prime. Yes, everyone.
Sir,
Rizwan.
sir, it's not a co-prime number because 6 is not a prime number.
Okay, so Rizwan and Aisha is saying that not
Sir,
co-prime.
not a brand.
Not co-prime.
Yes.
Remember, I'm asking about
No,
co-prime.
co-prime.
Yeah, so Tala, Hashid, and Amar. What about you guys? What do you guys think? 5 and 6, is this a co-prime number? Yes, Tala. So this is a revision class, right? We will talk about all the things that we have learned so far. So, Tala, what do you think? Hashid and Amar, please tell us, guys. I have told you guys that the definition of co-prime is that, so the definition of co-prime is that the pair of numbers which don't have a common factor other than 1. So Hashid is sole.
Sir, I said it is a co-prime number.
Oh, you have said it is a co-prime.
But yeah.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, so we have two yes and two no's. Tala and Amar, what about you guys? Yes, Tala. Oh, Amar cannot unmute himself because he has some lagging issues. So Tala, what about you? Facing same problem. Yeah, so you guys see what is the definition? Pair of numbers. So 5 and 6. And this is not specified that these numbers are prime. Right. These can be any numbers. Okay, so Amar is saying not co-prime. So we have a majority in not co-prime. But you see that this is not specified that these numbers should be prime numbers. these numbers can be anything, right? And what is the common factor between these two? What is the HCF? So 5 is 1 into 5, and 6 is 1 into 2 into 3. So only 1 is the common factor. So is this filling these two criteria? Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
So which means that this 5 and 6 are co-prime numbers. Clear? Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this was, and this we need in the whenever we prove that, let's say, root of something is an irrational number. So in that we use this co-prime condition, right? We say that P and Q, they are co-prime numbers, right? So which means that, let's say, 5 by 6. So these 5 and 6 doesn't have a common factor other than 1. So that is why, yeah. So that is the use of these co-prime numbers in this irrational number. Okay, so this was the one thing. Second thing was the prime factorization, right? So in prime factorization, what it will that we can write any number, any composite number. So what was the composite number? Composite number was the product of all the prime numbers, right? So we can write any composite number in the form of product of or factors of prime, right? So prime factorization is that we have any composite number and we can write the factors of the prime numbers. So let's say we have 38. So the prime factorization would be 2 into 9, right? Let's say we have 46. So this would be 2 into 20. So these are the prime factorization of 38 and 40. So what is the use of this prime factorization? So the use of this prime factorization was that we can calculate the highest common factor and lowest common factor multiple, right? Using prime factorization method. Right. So the HCF was what? Let's say I have 87. Or let me write let's say 64. I have this 64 and then I have this 36. So these two numbers, and I want to calculate the HCF and LCM of these two numbers, right? So one is the Euclid division lemma, which is not in your syllabus, right? So the other one is this prime factorization method. And in prime factorization, we write the prime factors of this 64 and 36. So what is the prime factors of 64? That is 32. This is 16. This is 8. This is 4, and this is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the power 6, right? And then this 36. So prime factors of 36. This is 2 square and 3 square, right? So now to calculate the HCF, what do we do? So we take the common terms. So common is 2, right? And the power of 2 in this case is 2, and the power of 2 in this case is 6. So we write the lowest power of common factors. Right. So if we take the HCF, so this would be simply 2 square. And now if I calculate the LCM, if I calculate the LCM, so LCM would be highest power of common factors and then multiplied by rest of the numbers. Right. So LCM would be how much? This would be 2 and power is highest power is 6. So 2 to the power 6. Now the common factors are we have used. So the other one is this 3 square. So rest of the. So this would be the okay. And there is this property that if we multiply, so there is this property that if we multiply LCM of two numbers, which are A and B, and multiplication with the HCF of two numbers, so this would be product of two. So this was the important relation that we understood, right? And after that, we talked about the terminating. So we have these fractional numbers. Fractional numbers. Let's say this is P by, or let's say A by, right? And I want without using the actual division. If I want to prove that A by B is a terminating decimal number, then I have to write. So then this B should be factors of 2 and 5 only, right? Where this n can be from 0 to anything and m can be from 0 to n. So this was the condition, right? For terminating decimal number. So these were the only things that we learned in the first chapter, right? Was there anything else? Yes, guys. Was there anything else? Yeah. So was first one was this prime factorization, right? And then irrational number proving we did so many times, right? And oh, okay. So this one was also not there. Oh, yeah. So this one was also not there. So only this one. This much is there in the first chapter, right? Any doubt in the first chapter, guys? Do you guys have any question from the first chapter? Yes, guys.
Also,
Okay, and there was also this word problem, right? So there was this word problem, and you guys have to calculate. So in the word problem, you guys have to figure out that which thing you have to calculate. You have to calculate HCF or you have to calculate LCF. So whenever you have arrangement, right? You have arrangement, then you calculate HCF, and whenever you have, let's say, common point, right? Then you calculate this L. So let's say something like, let's say you have some some seminar or something in which there are 40 English people and then 50 Hindi people and let's say uh, 80 let's say Sanskrit people, and you have to arrange them in some group so that each group have same numbers. So in that case, in the arrangement, right, you calculate the HCF. And in these kind of question, we have, let's say, you have a circle and one person is moving in this circle, and after some time another person starts to move in this circle. So when will these two persons meet at same point, right? So in these scenario, you calculate it. Okay. So this is the trick. And also, if you have generally, if you have some big numbers, so then you generally calculate the HCF. And let's say if you have some small numbers and then you want to calculate the common point, then you have to generally calculate it. So these were the things from the first chapter. Okay, now let us do some questions. Okay, where is the assignment question? So don't we have any assignment question? Yeah, so we are doing the revision. So the purpose of this revision is that if you face, so when I was teaching this part and you faced some problem in some topic, so please now is the time that you ask those questions, right? Or you could have also asked the question in that time also, but yeah. So if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, reference. Division is not there. This one is there. This one. Yeah. So the HCF of number A and B is 5. LCM is 200. Find the product AB. Right. So everyone, please calculate. So please calculate this one.
Sir, AB is 1000.
A into
Yes,
B
sir.
is
AB
1.
is 1000.
Guys, right. Shima says 1000. 1000. And what about you guys? Yes, guys. Shoaib is also saying
1000, sir.
1000. Yes. Tala, Hashid, Amar. What about you guys? Sorry, some questions would seem very easy. So, but we are starting from the beginning, so we are starting from the easy one.
Yes, sir.
1000. Yes, Tala boss, 1000.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hashid and Amar, you guys. Sorry for asking these easy questions, right? So we will increase the level, but yeah, from the start, we should start with. Okay, so Harshit also got. Now only Amar, only you are left. Yes. Oh, who got disconnected? Okay, so Amar got disconnected, maybe some laptop. Yes, absolutely correct, everyone. Oops, so this is a good start. Now tell me about what is the HCF of smallest prime number and the smallest composite number. So what is the smallest prime number?
So 2.
So smallest prime number is 2. And smallest composite number?
4.
So 4.
4. Right. So smallest composite number. Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right, and we have to find out the HCF of these two numbers. Right, so the numbers are 2 and 2 square. So, okay, I should not ask this. You guys already know that this will be 2. So, let's move on to the next question. Show that any number of form 6n where can never end with digit 0. So, this question we did. Right, HCF and LCM if one of the number find the other. Yeah, so HCF, fourth and fifth are same. So you guys please do this fourth one. So we have HCF of two number, let's say A and B. This has been asked, right? In 1 marks question, this has been asked many a times. LCM is 162. And one of the number, let's say A is 54. So then you have to find out B. Everyone, please calculate and tell. And should I do this third one? So you guys can also tell. So Amar joined back, right?
Sir, the other number is 81.
Yes, sir. I also got 18.
Same session.
Oh, oops. Right, fast. 81 and who say there is one, say there will be one. And Shoaib also says 81. And yeah, so Talha, Hashida, you guys are there. And please do other question as well, right? So Hashid also got 80, right? So this is just for the practice purposes, right? We reduce our calculation mistakes. This is the idea of this. Yes, guys. Talha and Amar asked, so did you come back? Yes, Amar. Yes, Talha sir, are you saying something? Now we can hear the birds
81.
chirping, right? In the background, 81.
Yeah.
Okay, so Amar, what about you? Should we disturb you? Okay. So good. So this is a good practice, right? Everyone is doing the problem, everyone is getting the correct answers. So we are going in the right way. Now let us do this sixth problem, right? So we have this y, which is the values of x and y in the given figure, right? So This is y, and this the factors of y are 4 and x, right? So we have to find out what is x and what is y. So you have a y, and then this is the factors of y is 4 and x, and then the factors of x is 3 and 4. X is what, and y is this is the question.
Sir, I got X as 21 and Y as 84.
Same, sir.
Same. Okay, so Aisha got 2184. Shaima got yes, guys. Yeah, who got disconnected? This time Talha got disconnected. Yes, this one, sir.
Same.
Same. Okay, so yeah, everyone please don't tell me that. Yeah, so okay, if you guys are calculating or you are just feeling safe. Okay, so yeah, Amar and Shwet, right. What about you guys? So these notation are for the factors, right? So x has a factor of 3 and 7. So this would be 21. And y has a factor of 4 and x. So 4 and 21, which is 18. Right. So everybody good. Okay. So now let us do the complicated. The prime factorization, this is easy. HCF, right there. LCM, this is date express as product of, is it unique? Yeah, it is. Show that, yeah. So this question, good. So we got this question. So please do this 12th question. So we have to show that they are not co-prime. So you have to find out a factor other than 1. That is your goal. So the numbers are 231 and 396. Yes. So you don't need to write, yeah, any method you can choose. But guys, please do this question. Oh, Talha got this question, right? So in the next class, we will do right. So Talha got disconnected. And
So since 3 and 11 are common factors, we can say that they are not co-prime.
yes, so you got 1 and 3 common factor, right?
So 11 also.
11 also. Shwe got right. 1, 3, 4. So not good. And, yes, you guys also check.
Same.
Same. So you got also.
Sir, is it necessary that the factors are 3 and 11, or we can take other numbers?
Yeah, we can have different numbers, right? So we just say that this has a factor of 3, right? This is divisible by 3. This is also divisible by 3. So this we can write, and which means that it has a common factor other than 1. So then these are not those factors, right? So in this way we can also, or as Shoaib and Aisha did, so they wrote the prime factors, whatever the prime factors was, and they found out that we have 3 and 11. So these were the common factors. So in this way we can also say that these are not co-primes. Okay. Yes. So yes, everyone. Okay, everyone understood about this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then let us do the next question. Okay, so the 13th one, find the LCM of, oh, should we do the simple one? Yeah, so let us, right, we should do this simple one. And this we have done, this we have done. So then we'll do this one. So please do this 13th question. Find out the LCM of 144, 112, 41. So this we have to find. Okay, yes, Tala has returned. So yeah, some of the questions may seem to be very easy, but we have to practice all set of questions, right? Because in the exam you have so 50 or 60% questions are easy ones, then 20% are average, and or I guess 30%, and 10% are the tough ones. So this is the distribution of the exams questions. In this way, we have to do all the okay.
Sir, I got 210,672.
Okay, what was the number?
So 210,
210672.
6 and 2.
10672. So Ashid also got 21672, right? And Shweb also got 2100672. You guys multiply this one.
So I send you the message.
2 into 11 into 19 into 7 into 3 square and 2 cube. So why do we have this 2 again? If you have 3 square, 2 cube, and then what? Yeah, and then 7 into 11.
Oh,
into
oh,
9.
oh. Okay.
Then why this 2? Why this 2 is coming? Right? We
So
have
it
to
must
take
be-
only the highest. Yeah, everyone. So did everyone get this factor? Nine. Eight. What? 9. 8. 7. Why you are getting 105? 336. Yes. This is in the majority, guys. Right? What is 144? 144 is 6, right? Or 7. 7, 2, then 36, then 18, then 9, then 3, and then. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 3 square.
So it's 2 raised to 4.
Oh,
By mistake.
okay. Then what is this? Yes. So this one is 2, 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Talha, Shaima, and Amar. What about
Then
you
we
guys?
got the same answer.
Same. Good. So, see. Talha and Amar, what about you guys? So this should be the answer, right? We can leave it at this point, right, guys? So you don't need to multiply this one. This answer is good enough. Okay. Yes, Tala and Amar, are you guys getting this answer or this answer? Whichever answer. Both are correct. Yes, guys. Oh,
Yes.
so you're getting same answer, Tala. Or
Yes.
okay, so good. Yes, there is one, so that is why we have to work on the mistake, right?
No, sir.
One.
I did calculate, but yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So that is what we have to work on, right?
Yes, sir.
Little that. Okay. So the 16th question. There is an army contingent of 678 soldiers is to march behind an army band of 36 members in a republic depart. So we have these, right? We have these, let's say, what? army bands. So these are the bands, and behind the bands we have these army people, right? So and the bands could be of this one, right? So we have to find out that so there are 678 soldiers and 36 members. So the two groups are to march in the same number of columns. So this is an arrangement, right, guys? So we have to find out that what is the maximum number of columns that they can march. So we have to find out how many number of columns do we have, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever number. So you guys please find out. Firstly, we have to find out that how many members should be there in one group, right? How can we arrange or how can we make the? So this we have to find out, right? So how many rows would be there? This we have to find out. So you guys, what we need to calculate to find the number of rows or the number of people? FCF or LCF? Yes, guys.
Sir, HCF.
HCF. So we have to find out first that how many people are there in one group. So we have to divide 678 and 36 in one group, right? So we have to find out the number of men or number of people in one. So that we can do by calculating the HCF, right? So that will give the number of people that would be there in one group. So please calculate and tell me how many number of groups would be there.
Sir, I got 6.
Yeah, so you have 678 soldiers. The HCF is 6.
Yes, sir.
So 36 and 678. So we have only uh, 6 people. 6 is common. Okay, so Aisha is getting 6. What about you guys? Yes, guys. What are you guys getting? Aisha is getting 6. So Rizwan, then got disconnected. Talha got disconnected. Shaima, Ashu, Mar, and Shu. So 6. Okay. So Hashid is also getting 6. And
Where the HCF is 6.
good. So Shama is also getting 6. Oh, Shiv, you are also getting that. So Amar and Rizwan. Yes. Yes, guys. Rizwan. Amar is also getting 6. Rizwan, only you are
Yeah,
left.
same. I say
Same.
early.
Okay, so you see that we can divide. So we have to divide these two people in six group, right? So there would be 6 bands in one group, right? And there would be 6 bands, right? So there would be, in this way, we'd have 6 bands. And behind these 6 bands, we'll have all these army people, right? So 678 by 6. So this is how much? So this is
113.
113. So 113 army people in this way. So this is how we will divide. So there would be how many columns, how many rows? So there would be different number of rows, but the maximum number of columns would be 6. Okay, is this clear, everyone? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So there would be 6 band people in one group, right? In one group, there would be 6 band people, and there would be how many? 678. So 113 soldiers, right? And there would be 6 band group, 113 soldiers, 6 band group, 113 soldiers, 6 band. So in this way, we'll have 6 columns, and this would be the average. This is the answer, right? Okay, now what is the question? So on a morning walk, 3 person steps off together and the steps measure. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that so what we should calculate in this question? Yes,
CF.
yeah, HCF.
Sir,
Yes.
LCM.
Okay, so Aisha is saying LCM and Shaima, what did you say? HCF.
Yes, sir.
So we are so that they can cover same distance. Same distance is common point, right? So they are walking, steps in their steps measure 40 centimeters. So let's say this person has a step which is 40 centimeters, right? And then this have, let's say, 42 centimeters. And then we have this person, this is 45 centimeters. And they are walking. So we have to find out at some certain point where they cover the same distance. So this distance is equal, right? So this is one step. Shaima, this is one step, right? And they have to cover some distances and then they meet. So what should we calculate? HCF or LCF?
LCM.
LCF. Okay, yes, everyone. So what should we calculate? Is this correct? Rizwan, Nashid, Amar, Shweb, and Zala is not here, right? So LCM, right? So everyone understood. So we have to calculate the LCM. Please calculate quickly because we have 2 or 3 minutes more. So please calculate LCM and tell me what would be the answer.
Sir, I got 2520.
Aisha got 1420.
No, sir, 520.
Five. Let's say 2.52. This is centimeter. So which means
Sir, I'm getting the same.
so Shama is getting next set of questions are the complicated, right? 520 to 520 shape and Hashif got same question appeared in your exam. Oh, and what happened? Did you not try this one? What happened, Ashif?
Sir, see,
Say. Okay, so this one between yes. Oh, or option. Yeah, the or option, right? So maybe we should have yeah. So maybe I should have started from the first chapter. Okay, yeah. So now we will do all these questions, right? Because yeah. Okay, and who is left? Amar and one left. So yeah, we'll start from here. In the next class, only few questions are remaining. 3 questions, right? So we will do these questions in the next class. Okay, and you guys have this what? This class assessment. So please log in and take that test. That you guys can leave, but please complete that class assessment. Okay.
yes,
So Tejasvi is waiting. She is told us before she gets angry, we should stop this class and
I won't get angry, sir.